Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the brand new Gryphon AX. This is the router right here. It is mesh networking 802.11ax, 802.11ac, and all the way down to 2.4 gigahertz N. So you get all of that included. So it's a nice smaller box. You actually can get two of these or more and put them together in a mesh format. You get two ports. You get the LAN port and internet port. They're both 1000 gigabit speed, and they're power port and reset, so that's pretty simple. And I already set this up, and I'll show you a speed test in just a moment. But here's some more details of how to set it up. You use the app. You have to use their app. You register for an account, then you turn on your Bluetooth, and then you scan the QR code that's at the bottom of the router. And it's pretty easy. It does take about 6 or 7 minutes, but once it's done, you can actually just put in the code to any other device. You don't have to do the scanning or download the app for every single device. So that's nice. I'll give you some more details here. You can pause at any time and take a look. And then, of course, all the details for the new Gryphon AX router mesh Wi-Fi kit will be in the description below. Okay, now we'll pause it and show you the speed test. Okay, now we're going to do the speed test. This is set up on 2.4 gigahertz on the old router, and this one is set up on 5 gigahertz on the new Gryphon AX router, and we'll show you what they can do. So as you can see, much slower with the older router and a lot faster with the newer router. I have never seen it go above 380. So 412 is very exciting, and this only reached 68.91. And there you go. There's the speed test. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.